Good morning, everybody. I have put together some deals for you. We've got the 5 off 20 Arm & Hammer deal, and we've also got the 5 off 15 instant savings on all Snuggle Purex, Persil, Dial, and Soft Scrub. So if you're interested in how we can get a $15 basket for just $4.50, then just keep watching. And don't forget to check out my free and cheap video with our new digital coupons that I uploaded on Sunday. I don't want y'all to miss out on any of the awesome deals we've got. And I have already posted our early ad preview for next week at Dollar General. So if you want to check out that weekly ad a little bit early, this is your time. So I will link those in the description below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, click the bell, set it to all notifications, and you won't miss any uploads. Alright, y'all, the first deal we are going to do is the instant savings of $5 on 15. Now, you can mix and match these items. The brands are Purex, All, Snuggle, Persil, Dial, and Soft Scrub. So, you can mix and match these. Get it to $15, and you will instantly save $5 at checkout. Now, I did put some scenarios together, so let's get into them. Alright guys, let's get into scenario 1. Now, we've got $2 cash back on the Snuggle Super Fresh Crystals. We've got the green one, and it has a specific cashback offer that attaches to it of $2. So, if you see this one, you're going to want to grab it for this scenario. Here is the barcode on the back of the bottle. You can just scan it, or you can enter the UPC to find it near you. Next, you're going to want to clip the $2 cash back on Snuggle Scent Boosters, and this one has the purple and the blue one on it. So, this one attaches to the blue 11.5 ounce Snuggle Crystals, and they are $3.75. So, pick up one of those, throw them in your cart. Here is the UPC for this one so that you can see if it's in a store near you. The next cashback offer you're going to need is the $1 back on Snuggle Blue Sparkle Dryer Sheets in the 120 count. These are $4.50, so pick one of those up and toss it in your cart because this is going to be a pretty decent deal. We've also got a $1 cash back on Purex laundry packs. Now, this is on the 17 or the 21 count. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the 21 count for this, and these are $4. So toss that into your cart. Alright, y'all, here is the breakdown. We will buy 1 Snuggle Green Scent Crystals, 1 Snuggle Blue Scent Crystals, 1 Snuggle 120 count dryer sheets, and 1 Purex 21 count. Our subtotal is $16. We are going to get $5 off in that instant savings, and then we are going to earn $6 cash back. So we are going to pay $11 at checkout, but we're going to earn $6 cash back, and that makes our new total just $5 for everything. Now, I did a variation on this deal in scenario 2, so let's take a look. Alright, so for this one, we're going to go ahead and grab the green Snuggle Scent Crystals at $3.75. You'll need that $2 cashback clipped. We'll also grab the blue, and you'll need that cashback offer clipped. Next, we're going to clip the $1 cashback on Soft Scrub Cleaners. This is a limit of 2. We're going to grab the Soft Scrub at $4 and toss that into our cart. Next, you're going to want to clip the $1 Dial Body Wash cashback offer. This is a limit of 1, so pick up one of these. They're $4. Toss it in your cart. Alright, here's the breakdown for scenario 2. We're going to buy 1 green Snuggle Scent Crystals, 1 blue Snuggle Scent Crystals, 1 Soft Scrub, and 1 Dial Body Wash. Our subtotal is $15.50. We are going to get $5 right off the top for getting to 15. Our subtotal is going to be $10.50. We're going to actually pay $10.50, but we're going to earn $6 cash back, which means our new out-of-pocket is only $4.50. cents. That's around like $1.10 an item. All right, y'all, let's do scenario 3. This is an all Persil deal. All right, y'all, we've got $2 cash back on Persil 75-ounce liquid detergent, so make sure this is clipped. Then you're going to pick up the Persil Advanced Clean, again, 75 ounces. This is $9.95. Next, you're going to make sure you have the $1 Persil cashback offer clipped. This is going to be on your 40-ounce liquid Persil, so pick one of those up. These are $5.50, and toss that in your cart. All right, y'all, here's the breakdown. We'll buy 1 Persil 75-ounce detergent and 1 Persil 40-ounce detergent. Our subtotal is $15.45. $5 in instant savings comes right off the top. Then we're going to earn $3 cash back. So our new total after the cash back is $7.45. I also put together a deal on Arm & Hammer. We have instant savings of $5 when we spend $20 on any Arm & Hammer brand products. So we can put together a couple of pretty awesome deals with this coupon, and I'd like to share one with you. All right, y'all, so make sure you have the $2 Arm & Hammer Scent Booster digital coupon clipped. This is $6, so grab one of those and toss it in your basket. Next, you're going to want to make sure you have your $2 Arm & Hammer coupon clipped. This is on the little packs. So pick up one of the 42 count packs for $9.50 and toss that in your cart. Next, you're going to want to make sure you have the $2 Deep Clean Arm & Hammer liquid detergent coupon. This attaches to our $5 bottle of OxyClean Arm & Hammer, so pick that up for $5 and toss that into your cart. All right, guys, here's our breakdown. 1 scent boosters, 1 OxyClean power packs, and 1 liquid detergent. Subtotal $20.50. Our $5 is coming right off the top, and then we have the $6 in digital coupons coming off. Our new out-of-pocket is just $9.50 for everything. And if you remember, that's the price of 1 OxyClean Power Packs, the 42 count. Those are $9.50. So it's like paying for those and then getting everything else for free. Okay, guys, that is all I have to share with this video. But never fear, I am working in the background, working on some new deals and our penny haul. So let me get that all together for y'all and hopefully get that uploaded tonight. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I sure hope you were able to get some of these awesome detergent deals this week. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.